another story. That's why we're gonna write again another story this conference. That's why we're very, very much excited. And all the things na pinagdaanan namin since day one up until now, madaming struggles behind the scenes, but we're sticking together. And I think that's one thing that we're banking on, hopefully all throughout until we finish this conference.
Thank you. And for thoughts, yun nga, grabe din yung teamwork ng Creamline all throughout this conference. Personally, paano lang ba yun naging motivation for the team na ito ngayon nasa finals na kayo because of the teamwork that you guys have?
I think ulit-ulit kami, but I think yun nga, yung sistema kasi ni Coach Sherwin, para mag-work siya, kailangan ng teamwork. Hindi namin kailangan kunin lahat ng bola, lalo na pag hindi sa amin papunta yung bola. Sorry. So, yun, I think last game, medyo nahirapan kami dun sa sorry. The last time we played na with Petrogas, medyo nahihirapan kami kasi nga hindi namin na-control yung bola. So ngayon, minindset lang namin na yung mga areas namin, kailangan namin mapunan yung role namin and makuha yung mga bola. So, malaking bagay yun kasi sabi nga ni Coach Kerwin, lagi sabi na sarili nyo, dala nyo. Pag dala mo yung sarili mo kasi yung team, nabubuo siya. So, parang puzzle lang ba? So, yun, I think ever since day one, yun din yung nakita ko sa Creamline na pagpasok ko na yun yung sagot ko lagi na bakit ba nanalo yung Creamline? Kasi nga dahil sa team. So hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin. Nag-work siya na nag-work at gumagana siya. So yun yung hindi namin mabaguhin.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Alyssa and Tonsin nga, last year na-miss niyo yung last two conference dahil sa injuries. Ngayon, ano lang pakiramdam na after a very long all-Filipino, andito na ulit kayo at makakapaglaro kayo ng finals ulit with Creamline?
A very long season. We're very, very excited. I mean, it's always nice yung feeling to be back in the finals and to put everything that we've worked on all throughout the hour training every single day na malagay namin sa mga games. So, honestly, ako, excited lang ako with the team again to be back on the court, on and off the court din, kung ano yung strategy din ni Coach, support lang. But other than that, I'm very much excited to be back in the finals. Wala na po.
Sorry.
Wala na kami boss. The-concert na tayo.
Hindi, ako, honestly, it's been a while for me kasi nakamiss ako ng mga ilang conferences. So it's just nice to be back here again. So, wala, natutuwa lang din ako. I just want to show my appreciation to the team, to the management, to the coaches na sinuportahan yung journey nung injury ko. So, sobrang grateful talaga ako sa support na binigay nila sa akin. Yun, the last time I was in finals, injured ko, diba?
Yung nag-dress.
So,
naalala ko.
Yun, so excited lang ulit ako na maglaro. Kasi nga, excited lang ulit ako na, yun nga, makalaro. Naalala na niya. Na maglaro kasi, yun nga, yung mga ganitong mga opportunity sa mga, minsan lang to na bibigay at yung mga nagtatrabaho talaga yung napupunta sa ganitong mga experiences. So, natutuwa kami na yung laban na binibigay namin every day, yung laban na binibigay namin, lalo na kami yung mga na-injured, nagtatranslate sa mga laro namin. So, sobrang excited kami. And sobrang thank you sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin. Bossing.
Coach, ngayon pong game 10 blocks po yung Creamline and buong playoffs, kumbaga yung matitinding spikers, gaano po kayo kasatisfied sa pag-improve ng blocking at ng depensa ng team? Yung just in time for the finals against Petro.
Siyempre, every time naman, every training, kailangan namin ma-improve. So, I think sa Petrogas, mas talagang tatrabahuhin namin ang gusto kasi siyempre, hindi pa naman tapos yung laban. Prepare kami for Petrogas para sana maulit namin yung mas madami kami ma-block sa Petrogas. Yun yung target namin.
For Atilay, yung Petrogas, kumbaga sila yung rival niyo of sorts dito sa TVL pagdating sa mga championships. Ngayon, you're entering the finals coming off a loss against Petrogas nga nung umpisa. So kumbaga, gaano ka-different tong magiging chapter na to ng Petrogas Creamline rivalry, given nga na they've gotten the better of you just recently?
Oh, it's always been a classic whenever we play against Petrogas in the finals, and it's always gonna be so tight and exciting. We can't expect less than that. So coming into the final series, we're just gonna work harder. Well, honestly, I think one of the things that gagawin namin, makikinig kami sa mga coaches namin. Kasi mas nakikita nila. Yun yung isa sa mga things na we wanna work on, and communication. Kasi it would be a huge series. Definitely, maingay, madaming mangyayari. But I think if we communicate effectively on those crucial times, hopefully, malagay namin and ma-implement namin lahat ng mga ginawa namin sa training. So yun lang. It's what a way to welcome us back in the finals.
Ito, para kay coach or kay Lai,
Coach yun.
how do you consider yourself against Petrogas? Kayo ba yung underdogs or kayo ba yung favorites considering na this is your 7th straight finals appearance and 14th in the last 15? Pero yung Petrogas, kinalo kayo yung straight sets ng semi. So how do you consider yourself? Underdog? Favorites?
Four
O-
sets.
Oh, 4 sets pala, sorry. So, tinalo kayo ng semi, so tsaka impressive recently yung Petrogas. So, how do you consider yourself? Thank you.
I think match naman talaga yung Petrogas and Creamline. Kasi 1-1 sila this conference. Pero siguro kasi parehas senior team parehas veteran team. So I think medyo lang mga Creamline yun sa amin sa game na yan. Medyo yung chemistry ng team lagi naman nandiyan. Talagang pagpapaguran lang namin. Pero ang Petrogas talagang senior team din sila. As in talagang halos wala ring bago dun sa lineup nila. So I think maganda talaga laban yun sa finals. Pero I think na syempre Creamline kami, hindi kami basta-basta magpapatalo. Yun yung number 1 sa amin na ma-defend yung crown. So tatrabahoin namin mabuti.
Same. Hindi, honestly, I would say both teams have been through different journeys just in this conference. So, kung sino lang magbibigay ng buong puso, siguro yun lang yung lalamang din in this series. But definitely, hindi magpapatalo yung Creamline in terms of giving our all and giving our hearts out during the finals. So, yeah, we'll work harder, be smarter, and let's see on Tuesday on our first game.
Coach, meron na po bang ways to handle Brooke Van Sickle? She's been impressive all conference long. And thoughts, and Atilay na rin, facing Brooke Van Sickle na rin.
Actually, kinalimutan muna namin yung Petrogas, lalo na si Van Siegel. So, kasi may mga mas crucial, di naman kayo makakabawi pag inisipan namin sila. So, mas crucial yung mga natirang games namin. I think ngayon, mapag-aaralan na mabuti, may mga tactics na medyo adjustment kami, pero sa ngayon pa lang, kasi ngayon pa lang kami pumasok sa finals ulit sa mga kalaban yung Petrogas. So, mag-aralan mo na mabuti ngayon.
Paano ba? Sabi nga ni Coach, pag-aaralan pa rin namin yung Petro kasi nga yung final slot namin, di naman siya naging sure talaga hanggat di natapos yung mga games. For Brooke, I think every game naman palagi yan maglalaro talaga at maglalaro siya. I think yung yun nga, kami naman, if we, kung gagawin namin yung trabaho namin, I think mapipigilan naman din namin siya. It's just that, mental game din kasi talaga eh. Pag naisahan ka na bro, kailangan mo lang talaga mag-reset, bumalik sa trabaho mo ulit. So, I think yung finals nga, sabi, dalawang veteran team. So, I think yung mental toughness din talaga yung magiging basehan kung sinong mas matitira sa
For Kyle, yung last two finals ng Creamline, nag-deliver ka din doon niya, the finals MVP din. So, and gano'n ka looking forward to another finals, and this time naman yung counterparts sa kabila, veterans din si Chi and si Janelle. So, gano'n ka looking forward to this finals naman with Petro?
Siguro po ngayong finals, ibang storya naman. Kasi sa hinaba-haba ng conference. Hinaba-haba ng conference. Haba. Una masaya po kami na nakarating ulit kami ng finals. Siguro, si Coach na po ba?
Pupayagan natin.
Thank you so much.
For Ate Lai, kumbaga, other side naman si Myla, kumbaga, sabay yung resurgence niyo kumbaga this time, and during the yung UAAP days niyo din naman, kayo yung kumbaga for Ateneo and NU, you were at the top of your game din. So after all these years, you'll fight for a championship naman. So yun lang. Playing Myla Pablo, how much are you looking forward to playing her after all these years again?
Very, very much excited. She's well adjusted in the team after how many years in Petrogas. She's, I think, this is her fittest to date, if I may say, sa lahat na nakikita namin sa mga games. And definitely, the fire in her is back. So, it's harder to fight against those kind of players na alam mo andun yung fire, andun yung passion, and condition. So, pagdating sa side namin, yun din yung, magdodoble extra hard work din talaga kami para matapatan namin yung mga ganong challenges. So, veteran teams, both mentally tough, but definitely, it's up to the coaches.
Mas
And
veteran
it's up to the
Mas
coaches.
veteran. I think mas veteran pa nga sila sa amin.
Yes. Wow. Thank you, coach. Yes.
They
But,
have Isa and Chi.
yeah.
Mga idol din.
Yes.
Mga OGs. So, we'll learn from them. We'll want to give them a good fight. So we're gonna work harder in the next trainings with